end of May, the new tax rates were gazetted. So we've come to VIP Payroll to have them explain to us exactly how it's going to work and how much we might be saving.
The new tax tables must be used from June 2013 onwards, which will also include the backdated tax that you're getting back from March up until May. Employers should give the tax back, because we've had a lot of calls where employers don't want to give the tax back. They say that the employees must get it back themselves, which is not allowed. Whatever you pay to the employee just gets paid less to the Ministry of Finance. So the companies won't be affected negatively, it just balances one another out. So in June, you'll get your whole refund for the previous 3 months. So let's say, for example, you get paid 12,000 per month and your annual salary is 144,000. The first 100,000 is 9,000 tax, not negotiable, right? Then there's 44,000 left. Of that 44,000, 25% gets taxed, which is approximately $11,000. So the 9,000, which is the fixed rate, plus the 11,000, which is the 25%, will then be your total tax for the year.